WIC Buyer's Guide. You will get food benefits each month from WIC. These are specific foods that you can buy at the grocery store, such as milk, cereal, fruits, and vegetables. The foods and amounts you can buy each month is called your Family Food Benefit Balance. Your family will get a WIC card that works like a debit card. Before you shop with your WIC card, call the phone number on the back of your card to activate it. You will choose a 4-digit personal identification number or PIN for the card. Download the WIC Shopper app and register your card after it's activated. You can check your family food benefit balance at any time by clicking My Benefits in the WIC Shopper app. You can also look at the Family Food Benefits printout from your WIC clinic, call the number on the back of your WIC card, or ask a cashier at any WIC authorized store to print your family food benefit balance. Look at your family's benefit balance before you shop so you know the foods and amounts you can buy. If you need to make changes to your foods or have questions, contact your WIC clinic before you buy anything. You may need to wait until next month to make changes if you've already used some of your benefits for this month. Your food benefits expire at the end of each month, so make sure to buy everything you need before the month ends. You need to buy specific brands, sizes, and flavors of WIC-allowed foods. The Utah WIC Program Shopping Guide tells you everything you need to know about what you can buy. You'll get a printed copy of this guide from your WIC clinic. You can also use the electronic version of the guide on the WIC Shopper app under WIC Allowable Foods. If you try to buy something that isn't listed in the WIC Shopper guide, your WIC card won't pay for it. You will need to remove it or pay for it with another form of payment. Let's review the WIC foods and some tips to help you make the most of your WIC family benefit. Canned fish. Canned fish is issued in units of ounce. You can buy 5 to 30-ounce cans or 6-ounce pouches of chunk light tuna, 5 to 30-ounce cans or 5-ounce pouches of salmon, 15-ounce cans of mackerel, or 3.75-ounce cans of sardines. To avoid leftover ounces you can't use, buy can sizes that add up to the total amount in your WIC account. Cheese. You can choose to get less milk on your benefits and add cheese instead. Just let WIC staff know if you'd like to add cheese. Cheese is issued in units of pound, which is the same as 16 ounces. You can buy block, string, sliced, cubed, or shredded cheese in 8 to 16-ounce packages or 32-ounce packages. Cheese is subtracted from your family's benefit balance in pounds. 8-ounce packages subtract 0.5 pounds from your benefits. 9 to 12-ounce size packages subtract 0.75 pounds. 13 to 16-ounce size packages subtract 1 pound. A 32-ounce package subtracts 2 pounds. If you have 1 pound of cheese in your food benefits, you can buy 2 8-ounce blocks of cheese or 1 16-ounce block. If you buy package sizes that don't add up to the exact amount of your benefits, you may have leftover benefits you can't use. For example, when your starting balance is 1 pound and you buy a 12-ounce package of string cheese, you would have 0.25 pounds left over that you can't use. The smallest WIC-allowed package size of cheese is 8 ounces, or 0.5 pounds. Tofu. You can choose to get less milk on your benefits and add tofu instead. Just let WIC staff know if you want tofu. Tofu is issued in units of pound. You can buy 14 to 16-ounce blocks of tofu. Each block of tofu will remove 1 pound from your family benefits. Cereal. Cereal is issued in units of ounce. You can buy any allowed cold cereal in 12 to 36-ounce bags or boxes. Bags or boxes less than 12 ounces are not allowed. You can also buy allowed hot cereals in 9.8 to 36-ounce containers. To make the most of your WIC benefits, choose package sizes that add up to your family's total benefit amount. For example, if you have 36 ounces of cereal on your account, you can get any of these combinations: 3 12-ounce boxes, 2 18-ounce boxes, 1 36-ounce bag, or 1 15-ounce box and 1 21-ounce box. Legumes. The legume category includes beans, peas, lentils, and peanut butter. Legumes are issued in units of jar or bag. You can choose 16-ounce bags of dried beans, 15 to 16-ounce cans of canned beans, or 15 to 18-ounce jars of peanut butter. 1 jar or bag equals 1 16-ounce package of dry beans, 4 15 to 16-ounce cans of canned beans, 1 can equals 0.25 units, or 1 15 to 18-ounce jar of peanut butter. If your family has enough benefits to buy 2 jars or bags of legumes, you can mix and match beans and peanut butter, like buying 4 cans of beans and 1 jar of peanut butter, or 1 bag of dried beans and 1 jar of peanut butter. If your family doesn't like peanut butter, you can buy all beans. If your family doesn't like beans, you can buy all peanut butter. Eggs. Eggs are issued in units of dozen. If you don't want eggs, you can ask a WIC staff for more beans or peanut butter. Whole grains. Whole grains are issued in units of ounce. WIC offers many whole grain options for your family. You can buy 14-ounce packages of instant brown rice or 16 and 32-ounce packages of regular brown rice, 12 to 32-ounce packages of soft corn and whole wheat tortillas, 16-ounce packages of whole wheat pasta, 12 to 32-ounce packages of quinoa, 12 to 32-ounce containers of oats, 16 or 24-ounce loaves of whole wheat or whole grain bread, 12 to 24-ounce packages of whole wheat English muffins, or 16.8-ounce packages of whole wheat pita bread. To avoid leftover ounces you can't use, buy whole grain items that add up to the total amount in your WIC account. If you start with 24 ounces of whole grains on your account and buy a 16-ounce loaf of bread, you will have 8 ounces left over that you can't use. The smallest WIC allowed package size of whole grains is 12 ounces. Milk. Milk is issued in units of gallon. Buy gallons when possible. However, you can buy half gallons and quarts if you don't have a full gallon left on your WIC account. A quart of milk subtracts 0.25 gallons from your WIC account, and a half gallon subtracts 0.5 gallons. Your benefits will show a specific type of cow's milk that's best for your age and nutrition needs. Children between ages 1 and 2 mostly get whole milk, while children over 2 and women get 1% or non-fat skim milk. You can only buy the type of milk listed in your benefits. There are different forms of cow's milk that you can buy: regular cow milk, buttermilk, evaporated milk, powdered milk, shelf-stable ultra-high temperature or UHT milk. Tell your WIC clinic if you are lactose intolerant or allergic to cow's milk. They can add a different type of milk to your benefits, such as lactose-free milk or soy milk. Yogurt. You can choose to get less milk on your benefits and add yogurt instead. Just ask WIC staff if you want yogurt. Yogurt is issued in units of ounce. You can only buy 32-ounce containers of yogurt. Your benefits will show a specific type of yogurt that's best for your age and nutrition needs. Children between ages 1 and 2 mostly get whole-fat and reduced-fat yogurt, while children over 2 and women mostly get reduced-fat or non-fat yogurt. You can only buy the type of yogurt listed in your benefits. Cash value benefit for fruits and vegetables. Cash value benefit for fruits and vegetables is issued in units of dollars. You can buy fresh fruits and vegetables, frozen fruits and vegetables, canned fruits and vegetables, and fresh herbs. If you buy more fruits and vegetables than the dollar amount on your WIC account, you can remove the extra fruits and vegetables from your purchase or pay for them with another form of payment. For example, if you have $1.50 left on your account and you buy strawberries for $2, you can pay the 50-cent difference. Juice. Juice is issued in units of 64-ounce or half-gallon containers. You can only buy 100% juice with your WIC card. You can choose to get less juice on your benefits and add more money for fruits and vegetables instead. Just let the WIC staff know if you want less juice. Remember these tips for your WIC benefits. Check your WIC account before you shop. Use the Utah WIC Program Shopping Guide and the WIC Shopper app to buy WIC-allowed foods, brands, flavors, and sizes. Choose package sizes that add up to the food's total benefit amount. Thank you for participating in WIC. Your child has you, and you have WIC.